What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Design, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA phone holder on my own personal Lexus GS. Stay tuned. So a few things about the new NIA phone holder is: one, it's made out of ABS plastic, so actually take the heat while your car is in the sun. Two, is available painted. In this case we're doing gloss black, but you can do any OEM color to match the exterior of your car, or you can even do hydrogen. Three, is specifically designed for the Lexus GS. This will replace your handrest here for the mouse, and it comes already with the pre-drilled holes, and we provide the clips to you as well. With the purchase of the NIA phone holder, you're going to receive 2 clips. So first things first, we want to release the handrest, and what you do is just grab it from the bottom and then just force it out. Now that you removed it, you're going to see 2 holes that we're using the same factory clips from your handrest. What you're going to do is match those 2 holes to the phone holder and use the clips we provided to you to hold it in place. Once everything's in place, clip them down and you're good to go. The good thing with the phone holder is that we created a wedge here for your charging cable, so now you can actually charge your phone while looking at it. Besides your phone, you can actually mount your air controller in there, and you just put it in there and it doesn't have to go all over the place. The best part is you still don't lose the function, because you can still rest your arm here and have full function of your mouse pad. Alright guys, thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus GS. And if you have any questions, comment below. We always get back to everybody. Thanks again guys.